Heyo, I like to make stuff, and I 3D modeled and printed me some fence picket caps. My old fence was rotting away, and then some strong winds came by and blew it over, but I got some new fence put in afterward. It's so nice, I like it so much. It's like a hash brown looking cedar panel fence, it's so good, and I wanted to play with it. So I measured the fence picket, 3D modeled it, decorated with some Japanese ornate design, and rendered it out in black to see how it looked like. And oh man, it looks so good being cured. Just look at the teeth. It's like rawr, with the tongue sticking out and stuff. Oh, and it's so satisfying fitting it on the picket. It just chunks right in. It's a good tight fit. I wanted to do a bronze rub finish by doing 2 coats of black and then dabbing it with some bronze paste rub, and then look at it! Oh, it's so nice! This is the day before the storm, and then this is the day after the storm. It's the same, just wet. So yeah, you can download the STL file in the description link below, and leave a comment about what Picket Cup design you would want to see. Okay, bye.